So, good morning, children. This is the second part of the virtual tour to the library. This is our library. We have got a vast collection of books. As I told you, we have got around 11,300 books. You can see Hardy Boys. Earlier it was Nancy Drew, very popular in the children. And we have got the complete series of these books. This is another Horrible Science. This is also a very good fiction for children, the young readers, very popular amongst the children, especially juniors. And we have got a unique blend of old and new. As you can see, this is Sherlock Holmes, and it is quite popular today also. And this is Ruskin Bond. From Ruskin Bond to all the way from Ruskin Bond to you can see Percy Jackson and Sudha Murthy. All the new writers as well as old writers, all popular writers of children we have got in our library, and we have a unique blend of old and new. The complete series of Ruskin Bond you saw. And this is Percy Jackson. We have got the complete series of Percy Jackson books. These are also very popular amongst children. This is, of course, this book is quite old, but you can see these books are very popular. King Solomon's Mines, Moonfleet, and now see, this is the latest. These are Paulo Coelho books. You can see a good collection of Paulo Coelho as well. And John Green, you can see. This is a book, very inspiring book, Ashok Chakra Vijeta. And this is Footprints, the history of Indian Army since 1901 to 2011, sorry. This Ashok Chakra Vijeta is full of stories of inspiration, the gallant stories of our heroes, the real heroes. You can see all the gallantry award winners are mentioned in this book. Their biographies are also mentioned. You can see Major Bhukant Mishra and his biography. Another one, and it's full of inspiration. Captain Sandeep Shankla, and this is our Hindi collection. You can see the Hindi books. This is our Hindi fiction. We have got a short but very crisp Hindi collection as well. Most famous writers like Premchand, Phaniswar Nath Renu, all we have got. We have got the complete collection of Munshi Premchand. And here comes my favorite book. This is the Footprints. You can see the history of Indian Army from 1901 to 2011. Almost 110 years covered in this. And you can see the Paramveer Chakra. This book is full of the bravery acts of Indian soldiers and Indian army persons. Men from all ranks, from right from Jawans to JCOs and officers, all did wonderful things in the past, and that makes the Indian Army the bravest one. Here are some incidents mentioned over in this book. As you can see, a person, if you could pause this, you must read this story. It's a very short but very inspiring story. Escaped Indian prisoner rejoins unit 400 miles away, that too in a foreign territory, unknown territory, without any equipment of navigation. He reaches his unit. How he reaches, you need to know this. Very inspiring story. So these are the acts of bravery by Indian Army people, and very motivating book, very inspiring book. There are so many stories, so many heroes. There are enormous heroes who have served the country and made us pride, made us independent. So this is all about our library, and I hope you like this video. Please put your comments on down below. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please join our channel. Thank you.